Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your TSB bank account on a device. So I'll be showing you the step. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now first of all, you need to open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link that is www.tsb.co.uk. You can also find this link on my description box below, and as you type in the link you'll be directed to the official site, and once you're on this page you need to click on login in the top right. Next you'll be directed to the login page. In case you're not able to log in your TSB bank account because of your incorrect user ID or password, then you can recover it by providing additional information. So in order to recover, all you need to do is slightly scroll down, and then you can see right at the bottom under user ID you have an option as recover user ID, and the other option is forgot your password and memorable information. Now in case if you have forgotten your user ID, then you need to simply tap on recover user ID. In case if I provide my first name, last name and a date of birth according to my TSB bank account, then you'll be able to recover your bank account. So that is how you can recover your user ID in case if you have forgotten it. For instance, let's say that if you have forgotten your password or any other information, then what you need to do is do the same procedure, that is head back. Instead of recover user ID, you need to click on forgot your password and memorable information. And similarly on the other interface you'll have an alternative, and you have to provide some other information, and after you provide the correct information you'll be able to log in, and then you'll also be able to recover your password. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of TSB. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.